Hello, sir. Very good afternoon to you,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to you.
and welcome to Tutor Sprite. And
Thank you, sir.
let me introduce you, sir. A brief,
Yeah, this is
and
yes, sir.
it's a
This is
very
Fazal.
privilege for us that
Thank you, sir.
you, as Mr. Fazal Hussain, who is in MSc Organic Chemistry. So we have introduced
Yes, sir.
you for our today's session, for our today's discussion, and we will
Sure,
had
sir.
our discussion regarding about our yesterday's NEET-UG examinations. Examination that it was conducted yesterday. So regarding
Yes,
about
sir.
the question papers and all the reviews that we will discuss in this platform. So I would request you,
Definitely, sir.
Faisal sir, that please introduce in a brief about yourself to all of us.
Yeah, this is Fazal Hussain. I have 10 years experience in NEET and currently working in BNBC Junior College. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. So, sir, we will start our session, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
as yesterday, NEET examination UG 2020 of the session from 2020 to 2021 was conducted.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think, sir? How many students have appeared for NEET UG 2021?
Yeah. So this year they have mainly 10 lakh students they have here, sir, for this year.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay. So, out of 10 lakhs, sir, what do you think? What will be the cutoff in NEET UG 21?
So mostly cutoff will be. I think this paper is chemistry. This time is very easy for me.
Okay,
So most 99% questions are from only NCERT books.
okay, sir.
All questions are from
So, as
NCERT,
per,
and it's
Mhm.
yeah.
Please
So
continue, sir.
sir,
Please continue, sir.
yeah. So mostly, if you're getting some more than 500 marks, we can get the seat is easily in category A.
Okay,
So
sir.
for more less than 500, we can chance to get in category B like this.
So, I mean, what was the exact, if I can say, the contribution of organic chemistry, especially in organic chemistry, if I ask
Yes, sir.
you? So, what is the exact contribution? What do you think, sir?
So if you observe this paper, in this most of the questions from organic and inorganic we had here. So and the whatever the given physical chemistry also it's a very less problem and almost it's a very easy problem. And organic chemistry they have given only reagent based questions and only single
Mhm.
answers. If you submit a reagent, immediately you can get the product. So there is no typical questions in organic chemistry. So right
Okay,
from if you
okay.
go through textbook, you'll get all the answers.
So, if we'll come to the syllabus, sir, that
Yeah.
the percentage of syllabus contributed to NEET UG 21 from NCRT, what do you think, sir? How much should be the, I mean, how much was the contribution in this exam, yesterday's exam, from particularly from NCRT?
Yeah, I can say that if you see the organic chemistry, so in organic chemistry, we have to go for first year and second year. That means class 11 and class 12. So here, if you see the paper, most of the questions will be from class 12. So we are having very less. That means only 4 to 5 questions from the class 11th, and the remaining questions from whole questions from class 12 question. That to all NCRT
Okay,
questions only.
okay, okay. So
Yeah.
can we had some discussion regarding about the questions that
Yes.
came yesterday so
Sure,
that
sir.
our aspirants can also know the exact overview and the review with the questions.
Definitely.
So,
Sure, sir.
can you please discuss some questions that came yesterday?
Yes, sir. So can I read the question?
Yeah, sure. Sir,
Yeah.
is there is any way that you can share the screen?
Means how?
Uh, or if you are not able to share the screen, sir, it's perfectly fine. You can
So
read
I
and
think
we
this
can
is new
discuss
for
the.
me. This format is it's not Zoom, I think.
Okay, 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 okay,
If you have, you
okay,
can share it, sir. I will answer.
okay, okay. Allow the share screen. Nowadays, what we can see that day by day, the total number of MBBS students are increasing. The aspirants are increasing, those who are appearing for the NEET. So if I can see that the total MBBS seats, I think it's 84,000 approx in India. So do you think that the number of seats for the aspirants should increase?
Definitely, sir. Compulsory it will increase. So because this time maybe nowadays we are seeing about COVID, all these things. So the requirement of doctors is more. So mostly the aspirants will be increases day by day, or every day they can increase.
Right. So can we had some discussion with yesterday's papers? You can read the question, sir, so that we can have
Yes,
our discussion and we can know something from your side also, so
yes,
that
sir.
our aspirations can able to know and
Sure.
we'll have some review on
So
our yesterday's paper.
yeah, I'm reading first question. So it's a 51 question. Statement one they have given aspirin and paracetamol belongs to the class of narcotic analgesics. And statement two they have given that morphine and heroin are non-narcotic analgesics. In the light of above statements, choose the correct answer from the options. Both statement one and statement two are true. Option 2, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Option 3, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. Option 4, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is true. So here, so this is, what are the question is there? This question is from biomolecules. So this is straight questions. So we know that whatever the tablets we are generally taking, that's a paracetamol, okay, so or aspirin. These tablets are non-narcotics. Okay, that means those are non-addictive. So here the questions, whatever the given, that is absolutely false. Both are wrong. So we can go the option here, option two, both statement one and statement two are false. Because whatever the given aspirin and paracetamol is non-narcotic analgesics. In question they have given it's a narcotic analgesics. And statement two also they have given morphine and heroin is non-narcotic, but it's wrong. So morphine and heroin is narcotic drugs, that is addictive drugs. So both statement one and statement two are false. So we can go with option two.
Very correct, sir.
Yes. And 52 question, they have given nomenclature question here. So write the structure of 2,6 dimethyl decphorine. So while writing the nomenclature, first we have to know the priority order. So in this they have given option 1, option 2, option 3 and option 4. So whenever if you have any substituent and double one is present. So here they have given one nomenclature question, that is 2,6 dimethyl decphorine. So if you see the options all four, so here just if you observe in this what are the nomenclature they have given, so the double bond present in only fourth position, should they have given 4 dec in, that means the double bond should be present at fourth position. So while give the numbering from, so 1 2 3, you can get the option 1 is the correct answer. So that means only the double bond present in this all four options, only at fourth position is the first option. Remaining all options, the double bond is not present at fourth position. So we can go with the answer is first one. And
Right,
they
sir.
have given one more question. In BF3 is a planar and electron deficient compound. Hybridization and number of electrons around the central atom respectively of. So first we have to know what is a BF3. So BF3 means it is boron trifluoride. So in this boron trifluoride, that boron belongs to fifth group. So fifth group means it has, if you see the atomic number of boron, it is 1s to 2s to 2p1. That means atomic number is atomic number is 5, its electron configuration is 1:2 is to 2p1. So here in BF3, the boron is bonded with 3 fluorines. So here, whatever the central atom is there, that central atom is surrounded how many atoms? That means it's bonded to how many other atoms that we have to consider. And here, so here the central atom is bonded to 3 fluorine atoms, and it has 3 fluorine atom directly. So we can take, so if it is bonded to 3 fluorine atom directly, we can write it as a sp2 hybridization. And each boron is bonded to 3 fluorine atoms. So one bond is equal to 2 electrons. So boron is surrounded by 3 bonds. So we can multiply that into 2, you'll get 6 electrons. So the correct option you will get sp2, BF3 is a sp2 hybridization and it has 6 electrons.
Very
So this is
correct.
about BF. Yes, sir. So next question they have given, noble gases are named noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity. Identify an incorrect statement about them. So noble gas here they have given 4 options. We have to find which one is the incorrect answer. So here the first option they have given, noble gases are sparingly soluble in water. Yes, correctly, noble gas cannot dissolve in water. This is correct only. Next option 2 they have given, noble gases have very high melting and boiling points. This is absolutely wrong because whatever the noble gases are there like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these gases are called as noble gases. So in this noble gas, these are all single atom bonds. That means all are monoatomic molecules. So we cannot write Ne2, we cannot write Ar2. So for example, if we take any oxygen or nitrogen, we can write O2, we can write N2. But in noble gases, we cannot write like this. So these are all monoatomic. Argon means Ar, neon means Ne. So in this all weak dispersion forces are present. Whenever a compound having weak dispersion forces, it has low melting points and boiling points. But in question they have given that, so here noble gases are having high melting point and boiling point. So that is wrong. So noble gases are having low melting points and low boiling points. So remaining all are correct. So option 2 is wrong. 56 question number. The right option for the statement Tyndall effect is exhibited by. So option they have given NaCl solution, glucose solution, star solution, urea solution. So here first we have to know what is Tyndall effect. For example, if you take a beaker, in that beaker you take some water. If you take it, that beaker is compulsory, it's a transparent beaker. So if you pass a light to the water, if in that beaker, if you are getting any zigzag moment, or the light is scattered, when the light is scattered, that moment is called as Tyndall effect. So, but in the option, whatever they given, like NaCl solution, glucose solution, and urea solution, and one more is starch solution. Except starch, remaining all 3 solutions like NaCl, glucose, and urea. These 3 solutions are they're completely dissolved in water. When a solution is completely dissolved in water, it cannot show Tyndall effect. A solution which shows Tyndall effects, it should be heterogeneous solution. If a solution is completely dissolves, such type of solution we can call it homogeneous solution. So in homogeneous solutions, Tyndall effect is not possible. Only heterogeneous solution it will show. So the correct option is starch solution. So option 3 can
Right.
get. Next question they have given. The RBC deficiency disease of. So they have given vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin B1, and vitamin B2. So these are all vitamin related questions. That means vitamin options. So we know that, so vitamin B is nothing but B1 is nothing, thiophene means vitamin B1, B2, B6. So vitamin B1, if you go for like biomolecule chapters, so from this till now we got 2 questions. Before one questions we got from biomolecules, and again they have given one more questions for biomolecules. So for the deficiency of B1, we'll get that is like scurvy type related diseases we can get. But only blood related questions we can get from vitamin B12. So this vitamin B12 we can call as cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin, due to that deficiency, we can get some blood related questions. That is, RBC deficiency is caused by vitamin B12, but not B1, B2, and B6. So correct option is vitamin B12. Second question they have given, dihedral angle of least stable conform of ethane. So we know that if you know conformations, ethane exhibits six type of conformations. So in this most conformation, we'll discuss about like Gaucher conformation is there, and one more is Sahas conformation is there. So in that conformations, if you write the ethane conformations, the dihedral angle wherever you get the zero, the dihedral angle is zero, that conformation is more stable. So ethane, so we can get zero dihedral angle. So option fourth, you will get stable conformation for ethane is zero dihedral angle. That is the least stable conformation. So option 58, you can get the zero. Next question they have given. The major product formed in dehydrohallucination reaction of 2-bromopentane is pent-2-ene. This product is formed on. So they have given options Sedgwick rule, Hunt's rule, Huffman rule, Haeckel's rule. So here whatever the question they have given, dehydrohallucination means you have to remember it is an elimination reaction. So in this elimination reaction, the product like whatever the halogen and beta hydrogen both will be eliminated. So the beta hydrogen and alpha halogen is eliminated. Compulsory the product you will get alkene. Alkene is a major product. So this is we studied in chapter 1, like alloalkanes and halogens will get this question. So here we can go with Sedgwick rule. According to Sedgwick rule, if you remove the beta hydrogen alpha halogen, you'll get the alkene as a product. That product pent-2-ene. So option 1 is correct. That is Sedgwick rule.
Correct.
And we'll get one more questions from, this is a physical chemistry. This topic is from thermodynamics. So straight away they have given simple question. Which one among the following is the correct option for a right relationship between Cp and Cv for 1 mole of ideal gas? So for Cp-Cv relation, this is very, very important question either in like if you go through state questions or in CBS also, this is very, very important question. So the direct formula we can write Cp minus Cv equal to R. This is straight away question. Cp minus Cv equal to R. That is directly they have given. Option 2 is the correct answer. And 62 question they have given. Which one of the following polymer is prepared by addition polymer? So they have given options. One is Teflon. Second one is nylon 6,6. Third one is Novolac. And fourth one is Dacron. SEMA first. For example, if you see the options Teflon, nylon 6,6, Novolac, and Dacron. This option 2, no, nylon 6,6, Novolac, and Dacron. These are not addition polymers. These three are condensed polymers. That means if you take any molecules, so if you are addition of two molecules, like it releases like water molecule or alcohol, such type of compounds we can call as condensed polymer. So if you addition polymers, if you add two polymers, we cannot get any byproduct. So such type of addition polymer we can get from the Teflon. So option 1 is the correct for Teflon. In organic chemistry, they have given one more question. What is the IUPAC name of organic compound formed for the following chemical reaction? So they have given question acetone. Acetone formula is, we know that it is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. In the presence of C2H5 MgBr, dry ether, and option and second hydrolysis H2O, what is the product you will get? That means if you're taking acetone, if you added RMGX, C2H5MgX is nothing but it's a Grignard reagent. So you have to know about Grignard reagents. When if you're taking acetone, to that if you're adding any Grignard reagent, so always you should get alcohols. So acetone, it will give tertiary alcohols. So in option, wherever you're getting tertiary alcohol, that is the correct answer. That means you'll get the option fourth, 2-methyl butane 2-ol. That is the correct answer. So this is also direct question from organic chemistry. Shall we continue, sir?
So far, sir, I mean, we have discussed a lot of questions, and definitely uh, our aspirants come to know that what they have made the answers, and apart from giving the answers, also you are just explaining each and everything very nicely, so that our aspirants can come to know that if we are If we are marking this answer, then what should be the correct way that they should think before marking it? So
Thank you, sir.
it's really very nice, sir. And just continuing with this, I would like to ask you one small question. That is, as per your opinion, what do you think how much this chemistry is important for the students to prepare for the NEET UG?
Yeah, I can assure you, for example, what are the students are coming from BPC background? Mostly they are afraid about maths. So students, they can do questions 100% in botany and zoology. They can easily get out of 350, they can easily get 350, mostly 340 like that. But as compared to physics and chemistry, as compared to physics, chemistry is a little bit easy. So we cannot get any problems. Just you can see that 2021 paper, recently paper, we have only till 10 questions they have given from physical chemistry. In that, only we have 4 to 5 questions, problem related questions. So maximum questions, theory questions, directly you can get the questions. So my opinion, first you have to give the priority for chemistry. Compulsory should get more than 120 or 130 marks in chemistry. That is useful for you.
Okay, sir.
This is over. So
So,
it is down.
uh, especially,
So,
yeah. So, especially if we are taking the chemistry, so there are normally what we have uh, earlier also and today also. There are mainly three branches used to come. That is organic chemistry, inorganic, and with the physical. So,
yes, sir.
especially, I want to ask you that normally it has been that so many students are having some confusions that by how they can improve their organics part, because inorganic is somehow they can able to get memorize the thing by making everything correct. But if it comes in the part of organic, then there are so many reactions out there. There are so many part of we see usually in organic chemistry. So normally, basically, the thing is that students get fear from organic chemistry. So what you will say to marking this thing that they should need to improve the organic chemistry a lot?
Yeah. So the major problem is so for BPC students, especially for BPC students, so they can easily remember mostly organic chemistry. But the problem is only with their physical chemistry. So for remembering organic chemistry, so first of all, they should know nomenclature particularly. If they know nomenclature, the remaining things will be easy. That means it's the basics of, like if a student is studied in any CBSE, ICSE schools maybe, or other states. So in state, generally we have class 11th exam. But if you go for CBSE and ICSE, we don't have any exams in class 11th. So most of the students will neglect in class 11th. So if they were neglecting class 11th, they are not concentrating what are the basics there in class 11th. So the basics, whatever they're in class level of chemistry, like organic chemistry, by the nomenclature, something, whatever the apex are there, that should be they have to remember. If the nomenclature they know, the remaining things is easy. So in organic chemistry, mostly we have to remember like oxidation reduction questions are just with the compulsory they have to remember reagents. So if they know reagents, they can answer easily. So compulsory they have to remember. So each and every reagent they have to remember. But we don't have many reagents. Mostly we can get near less than 100, something those questions will get. From that only they can ask questions. But the way of asking question is different, but reagents will be same. Only we can get very less.
Very true, sir. So, with the continuation of this only, if I can ask you that, especially in chemistry syllabus, approx which topics students should focus for the preparation of NEET UG?
Yeah, I'll tell you first, everyone should go with inorganic chemistry. So most of them they will neglect inorganic chemistry because that is easy. Actually, as compared to physical chemistry and organic chemistry, inorganic is very very easy. But they think that it's very easy. They'll read later. I mean, before exams, like 1 month or 2 months. So first they have to concentrate on inorganic chemistry. After inorganic chemistry, they should go by organic chemistry. Whenever organic chemistry is completed, they have to go with physical chemistry. If they are any scaring about or afraid about any physical chemistry, so leave few chapters like which are coming from like any problem related questions, electrochemistry, something those type of chapters. So some questions, some chapters are there in class 12. Like in class 11 we have states of matter, in class 12 we have surface chemistry, and like one more is metallurgy. In these physical chemistry chapters, these three chapters, we don't get any problems, only theory based questions. So some students, if you are any scaring about physical chemistry, they have to read these three chapters particular, because if you just see that questions in 2021 paper, we are getting many questions from surface chemistry and metallurgy, like states of matter. So theory questions also we are getting, so focus on those chapters.
Sir, the voice is coming a bit lower, sir.
I'm shouting only, but maybe I'm not using mic, that's a problem.
Okay. My voice is audible to you properly?
Yes sir, good good.
So, sir, some few questions that also I would like to share with you and want to know your opinion. So, proceeding with that, sir, as the number of aspirants is increasing every year, sir. So, what's your message to our aspirants who are applying for the upcoming UG, NEET-UG in the session of 21-22?
So strength is increasing day every year, but seats are almost the same. So the number of whatever the MBBS seats are there, that will be same. So students who are, when students are increases, compulsory the competition will be increases. So most of the students, they should do hard work. They do hard work, they'll get the seat. Compulsory they have to do hard works.
Sir, can you please increase the sound of your mobile, sir? I think there is some issue with the sound.
Yeah, it's fine now. Is it okay, sir?
The voice is coming very low.
Now it's okay.
Still, it's having the same, sir.
So yeah. So okay, better to we'll discuss in the office. Can I come? I'll come to tomorrow like that.
Sure, sir. So, it's really a very, uh, I can say, prestigious moment for Tutor's Pride that we got your valuable time for us that we have discussed with the entire things and we have focused with some of the few yesterday's questions also, and thank you very much for giving us and for giving specially your valuable time to Tutors Pride, and
Thank you.
we will also take this journey ahead with you with so long, sir.
Sure,
Thank
thank
you
you so
very
much.
much, sir. Have a nice day
Thank
to
you.
you.
Thank you.